Look at that motherfucker. Hey.
Hey guys, it's that Porter guy coming back at you with another one. So I just wanted to let you know and give you guys an update on what's going on with me. Still working in apartment maintenance industry, but also I'm branching off into other side ventures like carpet cleaning, strip and waxing floors, floor care basically. And I'm enjoying it. So yeah, enjoy this small video here, just kind of showing you what I've been up to and how I've been moving up. And hopefully soon I'll be a tech. I think that's coming down the line. I'm definitely proving myself and doing on calls and all that stuff. You guys know about that. So yeah, enjoy. Peace. Hey, what's up? It's that Porter guy here, and I'm about to change out these two shut-off valves here, or the shut-off valve to this new one. As you can see, this one is cracked right here. Yeah, it's cracked like right there. So yeah, we got the new supply line and valve, and that's a 3/8 pipe there, not a 1/2 inch. So I'll check back in when I'm done. Teflon tape there, just before I go ahead and throw on the shut-off valve. All right, here we go. Turn it on. Check the leaks. Looks solid. It's not leaking anymore. Back here is great. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. All right, everyone. Coming to the end of the video, I'd like for you to please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you, and have a good one.